KDE Plasma just dropped, and the last feature is massive. Let's speedrun everything in 100 seconds. Spectacle now extracts text from screenshots. Click, extract, copied. It uses Tesseract OCR. You can also exclude windows from screen recordings. This is a huge quality of life upgrade. You can now save your custom tweaks as full global themes. Colors, blur strength, decorations. You can even tie them to day-night switching. You can now scan Wi-Fi QR codes directly from the network widget. Yes, like Android. Hover an app in the taskbar, scroll your mouse wheel, that app's volume changes instantly. This is a small feature, but a big usability win. That 60Hz animation cap? Gone. Plasma and KWin now sync to your display's refresh rate properly. High refresh rate monitors finally feel right. Wayland also gets screen mode and color pipeline improvements. I skipped over a few smaller changes to keep this fast. They're all written in the description below if you're curious. And that's KDE Plasma 6.6. Honestly, it's not flashy, it's just smarter, smoother, and more usable. And that refresh rate fix alone is worth the update. If you like fast Linux breakdowns like this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.